to the AQA GCSE Photography course. The GCSE Photography course is split into two components. Component 1, which is coursework, and Component 2, which is an exam. All of these components are based around projects. At Little Lever School, we study the Urban Photography project and the Portrait Album Cover project. Each course and project has to have evidence of a portfolio and a PowerPoint of research, ideas, photographs, and editing. Students are required to research different photographers. They are required to plan photo shoots about the theme of the project. They have to then taught and learn how to do photo shoots. They will then produce contact sheets where they will show their photo shoots and analyse them and select shots to take into edits. They will learn a range of Photoshop editing techniques and then plan out and produce a series of photographs which present a really effective and creative way of presenting the theme of the project. So our urban project follows those examples, and here you can see on the screen some examples of finished edits based around urban photography. Our Portrait Album Cover project follows those same principles, and students produce in this project photographs and editing presented in a way to produce an album cover based on a music artist of their own design. The project also asks students to create merchandise and graphic design elements as well. The course has grade boundaries set up by the AQA exam board. These are some examples that you can see from June of 2022 and what sort of marks students need to get in order to achieve a grade. And again, students have to show evidence of how they have produced their work, how they've talked about it, analysed it, and shown that they've produced a series of really effective photographs for both Component 1, which is 60% of the final grade, and then Component 2, which is 40% of the final grade. Component 2 is a project that's done and set by the exam board. It is 40% of the final mark, and this takes place in the January of Year 11. And again, just as in Component 1 for the two projects on urban and portrait, students are required to produce a PowerPoint showing all these different elements for their exam. At the end of the project, they have 10 hours to produce a presentation of their photo prints, unaided.